Right, this is the club tower elevator at the Tropicana. Just rang twice for up. It's a glass car. We only go to 21. Let's see here, let's get a picture of the COP and see out the car. This is horrible. Oh my god. Can't see anything out of this. Dang. Sure feels high up when you really can't see down very well. There's another elevator there. Oh, there's 6 elevators. This is similar to the design at what's it called? Sheraton in Denver. Anyway, let's go down to P. This time we'll watch the indicators because you can't see out the window. I'm gonna try to watch out the window a bit, but I just keep seeing me. Yeah. God, this is gonna be one good video, that's for sure. Only the best. There we are. Let's see if I can get anywhere. That's it.